Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kuir and today we are going to learn about Google Forms. So before we dive into it, we need to really understand what is the meaning of Google Form. So Google Form is a free online tool developed by Google. It helps us to create forms, create surveys, create quizzes and questionnaires. Having heard about the definition of Google Form, now why do we care? What are the uses of Google Form? The first thing, Google Form is used for data collection. If you want to collect data from different people, you need to use Google Form. Google Form will allow you to capture the details of those people, be it feedback, be it rating, be it anything. So you can use Google Form, or Google Form is one of the greatest tool that will help you to achieve what you really want to do in regard to data collection. It can also be used in event registration. Assume that you have a workshop and you want to invite different people from different part of the world or from your within region or sub-region. You need them to attend that event. So you will send out your Google form to collect more information, especially about the availability, so that it will really help a lot in logistic and kitchen work at some point. So that's where Google form comes in handy. So Google form can also be used in quizzes and assessment. So if you want to give in quizzes to different people, you want to test their understanding in a certain subject or in a certain topic, so Google form is really helpful in this. So you can use Google form in that. So another things, Google form is used in job application and recruitment. Number five, it can also be used in contact and inquiry form. It can also be used in order form, attendance tracking, research data collection, feedback for project presentation, and lastly, Google form can be used in evaluation. So without further ado, let's dive in and have an overview or introduction of Google Form. So basically there are three ways where you can access forms. So the first things, you come to a new tab and write forms, forms.new. So that is the first way for you to go to the form. Have you seen we are now in a form? So the second way or the second methods, you come to this Google Apps. You will find a lot of things like Gmail account, doc sheet, and so on and so forth. So once you scroll down, you will find it here. This is form, you know. So that is the second way. So this is the form. So the third way is, in most cases, you will not get it here in this Google app. So you need to move to the drive, and once you are in the drive, so let's just give it a couple of minutes. So once you are in the drive, you come here and you click new. So once you click new, yeah, you come down here and you click Google Forms. So those are basically the three ways whereby you can access Google Form. So the two, like this one and this one here, they take you directly into the form. But here, the second one doesn't take you directly to the form, but it will first bring you into this place. And in this place, you will find a lot of things, the like of template gallery. So what are templates? When you want to do a related work, maybe on assessment or on quizzes or course evaluation, so on and so forth, you can have templates. Template is someone's work, someone who has ever done the same work that you are planning to do. So you can just go and take their templates and you start debugging it. So that is the uses of templates. So, but our focus or our main uh, our main idea of having this course is for us to be able to create our own forms, and we be in position of converting this form into template so that other people can use it in the future, or we be doing a lot of things that we need to do really in form. So when you click blank form, it will take you to this place, you know. So this is our form. So it will look intimidating, but trust me, it is not that. It is really simple, and I hope, I know, I trust, and I believe that after watching this video, you will be in position of having a greater understanding and good understanding on form. So today we will not dive in much, but I'm just going to walk you through important tabs and the things that you are going to be using frequently. So when you come here, this question tab is selected by default. This is where you write all your questions, be it quizzes, be it a survey, or be it anything. So you do it here in this question tab. So another tabs that we have, and it is really crucial, it is worthwhile knowing. So it is the response tab. So once you publish your form, once you send your form to different people, so you will get to see their responses here. And this is why this response tab is really crucial. So the last tab here, it is the setting tab. So if you want to make your if you want to make quizzes, or you want to make anything, so you come and set them here in the setting tab. So by setting it into quiz format, you will be giving marks to any questions, and at the end of the quiz or at the end of the test, so the user will be in position of seeing his or her marks or his or her scores. So you can just do it here in the setting. So you can also change a little bit of the responses, presentation, and you can really work much on the default formats and so on and so forth. So this is why this setting tab becomes really crucial. So I'm just trying to take you through. We will start learning more and more as we go in this course. So here we have customized theme. So this customized theme here, it helps you to really change all the 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 important things here, the like of font type. If you want to change from Roboto to MPAC, that is in the header section. So how about if the in the question tab, so if you want to change the font size of the questions, you can do that. Here you can increase the font sizes, so as well as here you can also increase the font sizes of these questions. So this header here, it is basically the head of the form or the head of the form, and the questions here, it is in this questions tab, and the text here, it will affect this these multiple choices. So that is that. If you come here, this is whereby you can put images in the header. So we will really dive deep into it in the next lessons. Here you can change the background, yeah, that is it. As well as here you can change a lot of things. So we will have a greater understanding or an in-depth understanding on how to really have much understanding of the customized theme. So when you come here, this is the preview. You will see, this is how users will be seeing your form. So uh, it is worthwhile checking your forms, how your form will look to the users. So it is very crucial. You need to be checking it after every step. So here, this is undo. If you feel like you have made a mistake, you can undo. And here, this is redo. If you feel that you have undo something by mistake, you can still redo it using this button. So this is a link. This is whereby you can copy this link of the form and you embed it in any place. So here you can share it with other people. You click this share button and you share it with other people, So we will have much of the understanding as we go down to the course. So this publish button, it will help you to publish it and to be ready to be used, you know. So here when you come to this more tab, here you will have a lot of options, the like of making a copy of this form, move it to the bin if you wanna delete it, and so on and so forth. So this is generally the overview of the form basic, or the introduction of form. Tomorrow we will come and have a much understanding on how we can create maybe a survey, how we can create quizzes, so and so forth. So up to this far, I'm not going to move for any further. I'm going to stop here. God bless you. Lastly, uh, subscribe to this channel so as we will be making quality videos and videos that can really change the world. Thank you.